Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I hope everybody's having a happy New Year's. It is actually New Year's Eve right now, so I just want to let y'all know to be safe tonight. Have fun, but be safe. So guys, I found some new spoilers that I know will be coming in a 2020 BoxyCharm box. Now I don't know exactly which one, these are not confirmed yet. But again, on Instagram, you know Joe's been doing this, where he puts up two products and says, which would you choose? So I don't know if it's going to be like the most chose products whenever he does this, if that's the one thing that's going to be in future boxes, or if they're going to be choice items, or if they're both going to come up in boxes sometime in 2020. But I show them to y'all anyways because I want y'all to know what's coming. So guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell. That way you are notified. You don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. For more spoilers for the January BoxyCharm base box, congratulations, Pocahontas09. Man, I love that name. Anyway, she says can't wait. I can't either, y'all. I get so excited over these boxes. And girl, I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you, honey, so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this was on Instagram, and I found it at BoxyCharm News. They've been putting out a lot of early stuff now, so I don't know if that's a new Instagram or I just haven't been seeing it all these years. But I'm glad I found them, you know, because it's showing these spoilers early. Now again, it showed 2 products, and it asked which one you would rather have. So I'm thinking these are future products that are going to be in some 2020 boxes. Now, again, as soon as they confirm anything, I'll let y'all guys know. So, first, let me show you what we got. The first thing, and I'll probably butcher this name, is it Kosas Cosmetics or whatever. Anyways, it is a tinted face oil. Now, this, it says it's a foundation. It looks kind of like a BB cream to me, like it's some kind of lightweight formula, like just barely there. I mean, it is called a tinted face oil. Anyway, I don't know about this product, y'all. I don't know. You know, I'm a full coverage queen myself, so these BB creams, they're all right, you know, if I'm not doing anything and I just want to cover up it, you know, like the redness or something in my skin. I do use these every once in a while if I ain't got nothing else to do, which, well, really, I need to wear them more often because I don't never have nothing to do. So anyways, there are different shades in this, so I'm pretty sure that's going to be shade matched to you. Now the next thing, it asked you if you would rather have that or this other one, which is the Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream. Now this has got an SPF of 30. Y'all, this kind of puts me in mind of the Maybelline BB Cream, if y'all remember that. Now again, these are both BB creams, so I mean, I guess it's just whichever one you would choose. I've never heard of that Kosas Cosmetics. I've never heard of that one. But again, this one has got quite a few different shade variations right there. So, you know, I hate it whenever these BB creams come out and there's only like 3 different tints, like there's light, medium, and dark. So I'm glad they actually do go into more shades with these BB creams now. So I really do like that. So anyways, let me know which one y'all would choose. And if again, of course, as they confirm anything, I will keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop, guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Misty Cores. Misty says, I'm excited for January's box. Yeah, I think everybody's excited for January's box. It's the very first box starting off the new year, so it is real exciting, and I'm liking the products that they're putting in them so far. What you think, Misty? And honey, I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. It means so much to me, girl. I love you. Remember, guys, to leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. if you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.